To lock apps in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, you will need to open settings on your phone. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to locate the security and privacy options. Look for them like this, and then you'll be able to find private space on the bottom. If you enter it and unlock your phone, you'll be able to perform a setup for private space. I've already made a video that is dedicated to the setup for this private space. If you're interested, you can find it on my channel right here. So when you have that setup done, you can swipe up on your home screen to open a app drawer and then find your private space right here. You can unlock it or lock it, and then you can click on the plus button to add installed apps. Then you can sign in and add different apps right here, which should be protected by a password. You need to unlock it each time you try to access them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.